December 8, 2012, Dasmariñas City celebrates the 145th Immaculate Conception Fiesta. The event actually started last November 26 with the celebration of the third cityhood of Dasmariñas. And with this, the security is heightened as we go on our 2-week celebration. Regular checkpoints were placed in all corners of the city. The police headquarters and substation are 24-hour prepared. In this special day, there are lots of activities, especially in the city center. The plaza and the church are jam-packed. The atmosphere is joyful. City police, barangay tanod, and traffic enforcers work hand in hand to keep the city in order. They are ready for any eventualities. Police in the activity area also help in securing television personalities and other performers. There were no big problems encountered. Thursday's religious group who taunted the third sex, but none tries to harm them. There are also the shoot gangs. Some tried to pick some fights, but none bothered. Most of them come to enjoy the show. The fiesta was relatively peaceful. Only few reported incidents that the barangay tanods encountered and resolved.